Welcome back, guys. We're going to be doing a feeding vlog showing what we do every day after school. So, just enjoy watching. She does music. We are getting ready to feed the broodies. As you can see, Royal is extremely excited. But she has to go in there because she gets meds. And then we've got the other three, Fiona, Rosie, and Poppy. Fiona. Poppy. Hi, cutie. Rosie. Hi. Hi, Rosie. And after we do brood mares, we come down and feed the babies and all the rest. So first who eats is Bella, usually. Second who eats is usually Ivy. Mouse just likes to share. Percy eats usually third, and then Mouse usually comes to her last one. If Bella doesn't go and kick him off. Say hello, Percy. Say hello, April. April's gonna get her food, and then Fleur just has to go a little bit farther down to go get her food since April is a little naughty. And then Fleur will eat hers. So now we go and feed all the show horses, but we recently made individual feed stalls and they're all blocked off so that we can put the food in first. So Rosette will usually go in the first feed stall because she couldn't dare be away from Juliet. So this is Rosette's food going in. And then Juliet's food is in there. And then we come over here where Easter will be eating. Easter will eat in here. And then Victoria and Moo are in the last ones. They get their buckets just because they don't have bins. And as you can see, Moo knows it's food time. Now all the horses are calmly eating after a little bit of trying to argue and getting them in. Because those two at that end like to share their own feed, and that does not work well. Because the far one, Rosette, gets fed separate food. Now we've got some hay out for the babies. And Massey's making it at home. Yep, now she's going to make her pile look bigger so she doesn't think all of it. Hi, Miss Mousy. Today, April and Fleur's job to make sure all the buckets are clean. Well, really April's. Now since all the horses are done, they're all done eating, all waiting to be let out, we unhook from left to right, so Rosette goes out first and so does Juliet. So that way they don't get beaten up when the big strong ones come out. Say, hey, Rosette. And Rosette gets in our way. And she pretends to be all big and strong to the horse on the outside of the fence. And I'm going to go let April or Easter out because she seems to want to. So go ahead, Easter. Don't run into me because Rosette's being mean. So these two both have doubles because, as you can tell, Moo's trying to walk through it.
Come on, B. Out.
Victoria's being a little stubborn, but Moo's not. Moo says, "Let me out, please." So I'm just gonna start to let Moo out.
Moo's waiting.
But I can't do too much, and then Moo will go out and go and be mean to everybody because she's that horse. And she tries to kick Victoria into Sasha, and that's not nice. We feed the goats and the dogs, of course. We can't forget about that little cutie face right there. And the little cute face over there. Eliza and Ziggy and Mr. Ash just sticking his nose in the way because he wants some snacks.
Don't say nothing about him.
And Harmony and Eliza, of course, standing on Harmony. Oh, sorry, May. Hello, girl. I don't have your food, Eliza. I have all the goat's food. Say hi to Cloud. All of them are eating now. And we go over here because there's too many of them to eat one. And they also eat. And Frost is coming. Decided dog food wasn't good. Ziggy and Eliza are going to eat. All the goats are happy. So forget about Royal because she'd be angry. So we come back up after doing all the chores or all the horses down below, and we come out and let her out. Yes, it takes Sasha forever because she has to love on her. And she opens the gate and Royal says, "See ya." Bye, Royal.